Today is all about freezer burn. Join me. In our previous video, we talked about organizing the freezer. And today we're going to talk about how to prevent freezer burn. Sometimes freezer burn is inevitable. However, we can help stop that by using the label and organized bin method that we discussed yesterday. Grab yourself your labeler and some bins. Break the food in your freezer into categories. Beef, pork, chicken, fruit, vegetables, snacks. This is going to make your freezer a lot more organized. Now you're no longer going to have to open the freezer and push things to this side and push things to that side to know what you have and find a pound of hamburger all the way at the bottom that's 6 months old covered in freezer burn. These bins, they also make it a lot easier for you to see what's in the freezer. That way, dinner making and dinner prep, so much easier. Now, make sure whenever you're breaking your meat apart into sections that your family can eat for dinner, say you bought a big 5 pound of hamburger and you want to make it into 1 pound sections for 5 different meals, make sure that you use freezer bags. Don't just use any old plastic bag or saran wrap to put your food in the freezer. Get the freezer bags. If not, you're sure to get freezer burn. Write the date on the bag of when you put it in the freezer and write what is inside the bag. 1.5 pounds of hamburger, 3 chicken breasts, 4 pork chops. This way, whenever you are looking in your freezer and you see I have hamburger meat in my bin, in my beef bin, I'm going to go over there and I'm going to look, oh, I need 3 pounds of hamburger tonight because my family's coming over and I'm making meatloaf. You're going to know, oh, this one's 1.5 pounds and this one's 1.5 pounds. Okay, I want these two bags that are in my freezer of hamburger meat so that way I can cook dinner for tonight. If you follow these tips and tricks, I promise, voila, no more freezer burn. Welcome to DIY Your Life. If you love DIYing, organizational, cleaning, and craft videos just as much as I do, be sure to subscribe to my channel. Click the little bell icon next to subscribe so you never miss a video. You might have some friends and family who love DIY just as much as you. Be sure to share this video and all of the videos that I have on your social media so that way everyone can benefit. Also, right down there is the thumbs up button. Click it for me, will ya? Thanks.